Welcome back to another video. This is where I make sound effects with things I find around the house. So, what I have with me for sound materials is envelopes, water with a reusable straw, some plates and a spoon, and a brush that I don't use, and this rolly thing. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for yet. Oh, and also a reusable bag. Okay, so here we go. Let's just try this. I'm just going to jump into it. Oh, also I'm just going to make sounds using, me. First scene is the birdies. Should I just keep going? Okay, I'm just gonna keep going now. I'm not gonna stop. Let's see what happens. Okay. Get these stuff ready. Hey! No. Is it even going? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, nailed it. So then I watched my video and this was my reaction. Oh my god, I can't believe I did it in one try. I'm impressed by myself. If you guys aren't impressed, then I don't know. Give me a comment down below. Remember to thumbs up this video. I want to do it again. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.